and left hand turn back. So you do it all the way around one, and then change hands. Great job. I'm pointing that. I did have tea. Yes, one's lead in. And release back. Cast into second base to smooth right up. Now we have a little promenade. All four couples are going to promenade this way. So you just want to go around in a little circle. Just describe a little circle in your minor set, and come back where you started. So it's not a big promenade involving the whole set. It's just the four of you. Okay? Yes. I'm sorry. I did have caffeine. Bad Karen. Okay. Evil Karen is going away now. Good Karen is coming back. Okay. So in your little minor set, sorry, I'm at 4 people. So with your little group there, yes, you're just going to do a small promenade just to make a little circle and come back to where you started. Sorry. Okay, so when you finish that promenade, you switch hand holds to give both hands to your partner and start a poussette. First woman who's below, second man who's above, backing. Full poussette. Finish the dance. You're already progressed. Let's walk that one more time from these positions. So we have couples out at the ends.